you have to count your groups of 10. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, that's my group of 10. How many groups of 10 do I have? Show me with your fingers, how many groups of 10 do I have? 1 equals 1 group of 10. Okay, now I count how many ones. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many ones do I have? 5. 15. Here, okay, our vocabulary word is regroup. What am I going to be doing? Regrouping. I'm going to be regrouping my groups of 10. That means I have 10 ones, like when we were with our calendar in the classroom. Every time I would get a group of 10, I would move it over to the groups of 10. The sticks, would I leave them in the ones place? No, we would move that group over to the groups of 10. So we would be regrouping, and that's what we are doing here. Okay, we're counting our groups of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I group them. This is the same like this because right here I have 10. Okay, that's my 10 rod. Okay, so 16 ones equals, okay, how many groups of 10 do I have? 1 group of 10. Okay, how many do I have left? I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I have 1 group of 10 and 6 ones, which equals 16. Okay. Have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have my 10. Okay. So how many groups of 10 do I have? 1 group there. Now I continue counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have another group of 10 here, so I write 10. So how many groups of 10 do I have? 2 groups of 10. How many do I have left? I only have 1 left. So 2 groups of 10 and 1 1 equals 21. Very good. So for your homework, okay, let me wait for it to show up on the computer. Okay, for your homework, okay, on this page, you're going to be counting and circling your groups of 10. So right here, you're going to write how many groups of 10 do you have there? Then here, okay, you're going to write how many you have all together. Let me change the color, hold on. Okay, you see the equal sign? So you have to write the equal. Okay, how many do you have there? So this page is very simple. Okay, you're going to be circling and counting your groups of 10. Okay, now go ahead and look for this page in your packet. Okay, so let's go back. On this page, make a star. That way you know this is part of your homework, this page, and you will remember when we finish. Okay, make a star or make a sun. That way you remember you have to do that for homework. My groups, my ones. Okay, so make sure you color code. Okay, your tens and your ones. Now I'm going to circle my groups of 10. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is one group of 10. Okay. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, this is my other group of 10. And remember to dot it, that way you remember you counted that already. If not, we will get confused. Okay, and now I'm going to count and see if I could still make another group of 10 or that's it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I just write 6. That way I remember there's 6 there. Okay. So now I write my number, 36. Okay. That's my group of 10s. And these are my ones. See all of this, the color coding. If not, I will be sending it back so that you color code it. Okay, it's very important for you to color code your 10s and your ones. My ones. Okay, color code. Now, I know it's a small space, but you're going to try, okay, and see if it fits. So right here, what you're going to do for your 10s, you're going to do your 6 rods for 10. Okay, so it would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, because I have 6 groups of 10. And remember what I said since the beginning. You could do your sticks to show me 10, or you could draw your rod. Remember I said you can draw your rod, but it's a small space, so show me your sticks instead of a rod. Okay. And now how many ones do we have? Okay. We have 1, 2, 3 ones. That's the work that you need to show me on this paper. And like I said, we are practicing so that we could start with regrouping when we add 2 digits. So they're giving us how many groups of 10, how many ones, and we have to write the number. So again, color code, my 10s, my ones, okay? How many groups of 10 do I have? 6. So I make my 6 sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 10s Now, how many ones do we have? Okay, how many ones do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 7 ones. 10 and 7 ones equals 67. There are in all, okay? And you don't have this paper. We're just working on it together, okay? Now, there are 24 ones, so that is important information, yes or no? Okay. I have 24 ones. Now, I need to write how many tens, and I need to write how many ones, okay? Write how many there are in all. Okay. And what is my keyword there? In all. Okay. The T chart, on top, I would write the T for tens and the O for ones, okay? Then my number, I know it's 24. But before I do that, I need to color code. I know this is my tens group. I know this is my ones group, okay? Now, I need to write in the information, okay? How many groups of 10 do I have, okay? Which is in my tens place? The 2. So how many groups of 10 do I have? 2, okay? How many ones do I have? 4. Okay. So now I would write it here. I have 2 tens and 4 ones equals 24. I would have my 2 groups of 10 and my 4 ones. Okay. So you remember how in the classroom we would do our word problems like this? Okay. To try and solve for Ms. Morales. Okay, and I will be putting it in Class Dojo. Okay, so try working on this one. Okay, try working on this, on number 10, and tomorrow we will work together and figure out the answer. Okay, so it says, Abby has 45 stickers. She has 4 sets of 10 stickers that are flowers. The rest are butterflies. How many of the stickers are butterflies? Okay, so just try your best and tomorrow we will work together on it. Okay, it's writing your key detail here and then your drawing. Okay, then you're going to complete this math page. And then you're going to complete this other math page. Okay. To work on this one in your little writing journal right there. Okay, try and work on it, try and solve it, and tomorrow we will work together. Okay.